Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Mercedes C-Class. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface with proper tire pressure and a typical fuel load. This preparation is crucial for accurate adjustments. Park your car approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your headlights are clean and working correctly before you begin the adjustment process. Now, let's prepare the wall for marking. Measure the height from the ground to the center of your headlight lens. Transfer this exact measurement to the wall, creating a horizontal line. Next, measure the distance between the centers of both headlights. Mark 2 vertical lines on the wall corresponding to these center points, ensuring they are perfectly aligned with your car. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. You'll usually find one for horizontal and one for vertical alignment. Using the appropriate tool, often a Phillips head screwdriver or Torx wrench, turn the screws slowly. Aim to align the brightest part of the beam with the marks you made on the wall. After adjusting, double-check your work. The top of the low beam cutoff should be slightly below your horizontal mark, and the brightest point should be centered. Drive your Mercedes C-Class on a dark, level road to confirm the beam pattern provides adequate visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. If you're uncertain or face challenges, consulting a qualified mechanic is always a wise choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.